Hello everyone, welcome to Docker video series. Here I would like to focus on more practical things, but since this is beginning, in this short video, I'm going to cover some theoretical facts, in brief. However, if you are hungry to grab knowledge by reading, I have published a Medium article on these theoretical facts. Please visit that post. I'll put the link on the description. Let's start. What is Docker? Simply, Docker is a tool written mostly on Golang, with the intention of making it easier to create, deploy, and run applications by using containers. Docker provides tooling and platform to manage the life cycle of the containers. Docker makes it possible to develop application without considering environment dependencies. So, in that way it's possible to package and run applications in an isolated environment, which is called container. Containers are very lightweight compared to virtual machines because of containers share host machine OS kernel, instead of the heavy hypervisor. With the less heaviness, it's possible to run many containers simultaneously on a given host. Let's talk a bit about Docker Engine. Docker Engine is a client-server application with following components. A server, it's a long-running process which is called Docker daemon. A REST API allows to third parties to interact with Docker daemon. A client is a CLI, command line interface. Docker Engine manages containers, manages images, manages volumes, manages network. Let's talk about Docker architecture. Actually, Docker is not a kind of single software, it's a collection of few components. All these components together we call it Docker architecture. Let's focus on Docker components. Docker daemon. Docker daemon is the heart of Docker architecture. It listens to Docker API requests and managed Docker objects such as containers, images and volumes. Docker client is a CLI, is the primary way of many Docker users interact with Docker daemon. Docker registry is where Docker images are stored. By default Docker looks Docker Hub for Docker images, but it's possible to configure to look in private registries. Images and containers. Image is a read-only template with instruction to create Docker container, and container is a runnable instance of image.